What's going on, y'all? Just to let y'all know, we need 4 key components to actually make this turn out great. That's a tight shirt, even tighter pants, chancletas, and patience. Hey, Nadia. Tranquila, mami. Before we get anything done, we must dance. Yo, straight up, when the last time you had some pan con mantequilla?
Tastes like heaven.
First things first, gotta get these open. That's sweetened condensed milk. Now to open the can the right way. Inside. Oh shit. Start cleaning up as I go so my wife don't get pissed off. Oh my god, he's starting to get it. Crema de coco. Be careful because this will slice you. Puñeta! Coconut milk. So chunky. Now I want to give this a blend first, so when I put the last ingredient, it blends a little bit better. Everybody has their own preference on liquor that they can use for this recipe, concoction, whatever you want to call it. But I personally like to use rum. My rum of choice, Sailor Jerry's, 92 proof. Now a little goes a long way. Taste test. Not strong enough. There we go. Throw that sucker in the freezer.